Hey folks, I have a beautiful alto ukulele to show you today. This is number 761. The top, back, and sides are made from some African mahogany. I believe this is called sapele. And it's a beautiful straight grain wood. This is from the first big pile of wood I ever bought when I was still living in Colorado. I thought it seemed like $1 million to me at the time, but it wasn't. And I'm still using it. I'm still not through this big pile. I really like the stripes in it. It's a dependable, comfortable wood for me. It's got a mahogany neck and walnut everything else with a little rope binding on there. And it's a low G on the alto, and most folks put low G on, a tenor, or on their baritone. They like the wound strings too. But small ukes can have a low G as well. And I like it. It's rich and mellow, but it's got some edge to it. It's got some bite. It's plenty loud. Yeah, it sounds really nice. So, 761, ready to go?